our estimation and the result. So the election counting is going on. So it is kind of seen by anyone, and it started morning 8 o'clock. So everyone is watching. I am also watching. And if whatever we have forecasted about the election result, what it would happen, and whatever is happening or has happened from the Congress party, from the Indian National Congress perspective, it is same. It is exactly same. So our estimation was based upon two things. One is Hindi based or Gangetic Plain, Ganga Basin region, and non-Hindi plain. So we had given 0 seats to Congress, 1 or 2 seats here and there, tends to 0 1, whereas 4 seats per state otherwise. So other states, if I consider half, then 15, then around 60 seats we had given to the Congress. But Congress could secure around 98, 99 seats, around 38 seats extra. So from the 60 seats, that's it. Okay, so let's see that which all states they fall in the Hindi region belt. So Himachal Pradesh, part of Himachal Pradesh, falls in Yamuna basin, Yamuna catchment. So Himachal Pradesh Congress 0, Uttarakhand Congress 0, Delhi, Delhi capital region Congress 0, Madhya Pradesh Congress 0, Chhattisgarh Congress 0, Jharkhand Congress 0, Bihar Congress 0, West Bengal Congress 0. So whatever we predicted about the Congress is exactly same. Okay. Now let's talk about BJP. But our main focus was Congress, not the BJP. But anyway, so Himachal Pradesh BJP sweep. We gave BJP complete washout in the Hindi belt, Gangetic plain. Uttarakhand BJP completely sweep. Delhi BJP completely sweep. Madhya Pradesh BJP completely sweep. Chhattisgarh BJP completely sweep. Jharkhand BJP complete sweep. And Bihar BJP complete sweep. Sweep. Now Congress we gave 60 seats, it secured 98 seats, 38 seats more. BJP we gave 332 seats, but it could gather 240 seats. So that is around 90 seats less. Okay, so where dent happened? If we are saying more or less we are same position as far as Hindi belt is concerned, then where the dent is seen? Dent is seen in Gangetic Plain is is West Bengal. So if we calculate all these states, then whatever we are discussing, it will come half the mark of the total, the National Assembly seat. So West Bengal didn't happen. What we thought and didn't happen. Didn't happen in Uttar Pradesh. Didn't happen in Haryana and didn't happen in Rajasthan. So four states we saw the dent in our prediction. So let's talk about Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh estimation was clean sweep. Clean sweep means 90% and above. So, but in Uttar Pradesh is a state where since 2004, since earlier also, BJP has maximum energy that is thrown in Uttar Pradesh. If BJP pushes 100% of energy in the Lok Sabha or National Assembly election, then no more than 90% it put in Uttar Pradesh. Even the Prime Minister, he hails from Gujarat, but he contests election from Varanasi that falls in Uttar Pradesh. If we see all Prime Ministers, not a single Prime Minister, all Prime Ministers since 1947, they became Prime Minister in the power of people from Uttar Pradesh only. Narsingh Rao. Narsingh Rao was Prime Minister, but the main power was with the Sonia Gandhi. So she was kind of considered as power from Uttar Pradesh. Dev Gowda or Indra Kumar Gujarat. They were also prime minister. They did not contest from Uttar Pradesh. So Narsingh Rao, Dev Gowda and H.D. Dev Gowda, Sri H.D. Dev Gowda and Indra Kumar Gujarat. So, but Narsingh Rao was kind of main power was with Sonia Gandhi, whereas H.D. Dev Gowda, Sri H.D. Dev Gowda and Indra Kumar Gujarat, they were not in the majority. So power was with the party like BJP and Congress one. So again, Uttar Pradesh. If we see Manmohan Singh as a prime minister, where he was from Rajya Sabha and he was kind of prime minister, and then at that time Congress was not in the kind of could not win Uttar Pradesh as a majority of the seat, but Samajwadi Party and Bahujan Samajwadi Party they were supporting Congress. So, without support of people from Uttar Pradesh, he cannot sit on the throne of Prime Minister. Not even a single Prime Minister that sat on the Prime Minister post in Delhi, he was without the consent of people from Uttar Pradesh. That is guaranteed. That's why current Prime Minister also, even though he hails from Gujarat, he can win from Gujarat and he can become Uttar Pradesh. But the energy, I always say the science of energy, the energy required to sit at that chair, that energy can be provided only by people from Uttar Pradesh. It may be pleasant to hear, it may not be pleasant to hear, whatever, but somehow it is true. So that's why he is prime minister for two terms because first time it was around 74, 75 seats out of 80. BJP won in 2014 and in 2019 it was around 65 plus seats out of 80. So power from the people that was imparted to the BJP in both the elections. Okay, now the BJP 90 seats short than we had projected 230, 332. Now it is 240. And Congress received around 38 seats more than what we had predicted. And dent is seen in Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Rajasthan and West Bengal as far as Gangetic Plain is concerned. Now, if we see Uttar Pradesh again, then BJP's always main focus is Uttar Pradesh. They kind of built Ram temple. I don't know built word is perfect here not. So they kind of did Pran Pratishthan of the Ram temple, Sri Ram Lala, in Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh. So they did a ton of things in Uttar Pradesh to woo the voters. Means they did extreme. No one had expected this much soon Ram temple would be in the reality. But they did show that Ram temple would be in the reality. And the way they were prime minister was contesting from Uttar Pradesh, but still didn't happen in Uttar Pradesh. Congress Congress could secure 7 seats in Uttar Pradesh and in adjoining region Haryana, Congress could secure 5 seats and in Rajasthan that also touches Uttar Pradesh around 10 seats. So it comes to around 22, 23 seats. Congress could gather Uttar Pradesh and adjoining region. So equation is over. So 60 seats and 98 seats, 38 seats more Congress if is getting than because of Uttar Pradesh one. But where is the main dent that happened in Uttar Pradesh? That is Akhilesh Yadav. So the person who won the Uttar Pradesh election is Akhilesh Yadav. So he won the Uttar Pradesh. There was one time he contested. I'm not saying Samajwadi Party. Akhilesh Yadav. Samajwadi Party was founded by Mulayam Singh Yadav and he was kind of karta dharta means he had all the responsibility and all the power he carried till he survived. So, till last election, assembly election happened, Mulayam Singh was there. Post that, Mulayam Singh is not there. So there is first time that Akhilesh Yadav is in full power. So now Akhilesh Yadav, if you see, then he contested 62 seats. On his shoulder, Congress contested Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Rajasthan. So Congress did good in Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Now Akhilesh Yadav, if he contested 62 seats, there was one time when his party was leading in 52 seats out of 62. 52 seats was kind of the 52 seats. The winning streak was with Akhilesh Yadav. Okay, now the situation is that he is winning or won 36 seats. Out of 62 seats, state like Uttar Pradesh, where current government, incumbent government, he has put complete energy in the Uttar Pradesh because without consent of Uttar Pradesh people, no one can go and sit in Delhi. This is what has had been happening. I'm not saying this is actually the India. India is not like the Bharat or Aryavart, the actual Aryavart is not like this, certainly. But anyway, democratic India, home rule India, since 1947, the way India is a new country, a small country, the way it is carved out from the actual Bharat Aryavart or actual India, the way it is shaped now without consent of Uttar Pradesh, no one can sit there. Because Uttar Pradesh, if you see the location of Uttar Pradesh, it traverses till Maldives. From the Kerala, everyone can see Uttar Pradesh. So the way it is like this, everyone, that's why I say Lucknow is the center of Uttar Pradesh nowadays, of India, if we see geographically and population wise. So Uttar Pradesh is everywhere, it is center now. So Uttar Pradesh BJP is winning around 30 seats, whereas Samajwadi Party or Akhilesh Yadav is winning 36 seats. And not only that, if we see the Ayodhya, Hyderabad seat, that belongs to when BJP did Pran Pratishthan of Ram Lala in Ayodhya, and it was unprecedented, like nothing never happened in the history of independent India. Then 100% of the vote, or rather, if I exclude some religion vote, then 80% of the vote should be with BJP. But Akhilesh Yadav is winning there with huge margin. Meerut, where Arun Govil, the person who acted in Ramayana serial as Sri Ram, he is also losing to Akhilesh Yadav in Meerut seat. Bijnor seat that belongs to Rashtriya Lok Dal. It is going as a flip-flop, tube light. Sometime Akhilesh Yadav potentially he changed some Rashtriya Lok Dal from there also. Mirzapur seat, Apna Dal. Okay, so that is another party which has been winning Uttar Pradesh election 2 seats. There also flip flop is happening. So Akhilesh Yadav changed, uh, means he kind of victorious from sometime from the Mirzapur also. So from east to west, north to south, it is Akhilesh Yadav. So I would say that people in Uttar Pradesh, they voted Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav, in bad word, if I say, he chased out Narendra Modi. He chased out BJP out of Uttar Pradesh. Now BJP and his battalion, means his party and his other party altogether, they will come around 35, whereas 35, 36. Whereas Akhilesh Yadav and on his shoulder, Congress party 7, 8 seats he is winning in Uttar Pradesh, then in Haryana, and then in Rajasthan. Then in Uttar Pradesh, it will cross 40 marks. 40 marks. So more than half seat is won. So people voted to Akhilesh Yadav. So Akhilesh Yadav is victorious in Uttar Pradesh election. We concentrated on Congress claiming Congress cannot beat Gangetic Plain. It happened that way. 60 seat or 98 seat when 272 is the mark, then certainly Congress could not win. Congress lost the Gangetic Plain altogether. 7 seats from Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Rajasthan, that too on shoulder of Akhilesh Yadav, that would not be considered as par. So it won around 70 seats. 60 seats were predicted. Okay, So, as far as who should be the prime minister of the country? So, if we see that theoretically, then theoretically the prime minister should be country should remain, probably Narendra Modi would remain as prime minister of the country. But practically, what has been happening, what has had been happening, Akhilesh Yadav should be prime minister of the country. Means this is what the current India data is showing. The people, the Uttar Pradesh people, if they support someone, so BJP seat is not decreased in Uttar Pradesh. BJP lost Uttar Pradesh. BJP is not victorious in Uttar Pradesh. BJP, if they had got 45 seats, 41 seats, 42 seats, then it was considered at their seat went down remarkably. BJP lost Uttar Pradesh. Okay, our focus was on Congress, but somehow they could get seat from a person who came from nowhere. No one had expected that Akhilesh Yadav would be victorious in this scenario. Mind blowing, amazing. My all heartily congratulations to Akhilesh Yadav. So, as far as power is concerned, the person who can take prime ministerial decision, the powerful decision, only Akhilesh Yadav can. Means, as per the democratic system right now that is going on from 1947 in India, from Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira Gandhi to Sri Shastri, uh, Lal Bahadur Shastri, to Rajiv Gandhi, to everyone, to Chandrasekhar, Sri Chandrasekhar, and Sri Vishwanath Pratap Singh, to everyone. Okay, so they were powerful when they were kind of victorious from Uttar Pradesh. So, if Narendra Modi becomes prime minister again, then he would be considered as person who has lost the election. Means this is unfortunate, and I would not like to say this. And I am not fan of Samajwadi Party, nor I am fan of Akhilesh Yadav. Nowhere. Means I never discussed about him also. I never considered him in a fray also. I thought that he is a kind of a sideliner. But the way it happened, I was watching television news channel also. Everyone was saying same thing. Whatever is happening in Uttar Pradesh, no one had dreamt about. Means something that some light came from dark that no one had expected. Everyone was concentrating on Congress and BJP, but someone who came out and he became victorious. Okay, so my all congratulations with kind of practical new Prime Minister Akhilesh Yadav. Theoretical Prime Minister, we don't care. So we consider him as Prime Minister of the